This website over here that I have discovered for you is going to make you earn thousands of dollars really quickly and really easily with one of the best strategies that exist out there, which is affiliate marketing, which never leave you without wasting your time, guys, because it always gives you a big profit. Now, guys, you can do this job by anywhere, so you don't have to worry or feel obligated to stay at home because you can move and take your laptop with yourself and do this by anywhere, because the only thing that you will need to do is just follow the simple steps that I'm going to explain throughout this video. And guys, you can do this once and of course wait to earn passive incomes every day. So just listen carefully to every detail and follow up all of the steps that I will explain during this video, and in the end you will be capable of doing this by yourself. But before I jump into those details, I would like to ask you first to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let me reveal to you the website that we are going to use today to earn money, and that is called dhgate.com. Now as soon as you come over here, you are going to notice the common things that they have with Amazon. So they are basically like Amazon too. So here you can come and shop different products, and you can check out all of the products that are available that you can buy on DHgate, starting with cell phones and accessories, electronics, sports and outdoors, health and beauty, shoes and accessories, home and garden, toys and gifts, apparel, jewelry, weddings, hair and styling, computers, bags, and many more categories. As you can see, you have a bunch of different products that you can choose over here, just like in Amazon. But guys, if you're wondering why are we choosing this website in here, and if you're wondering that you are going to buy any product, then you are wrong, because we are here to use the affiliate program that DHgate is offering. And if you're still asking yourself why we have decided for DHgate and not for Amazon because it's more famous, then I'm going to explain and you are going to understand by yourself throughout this video why so. But first, I need you to scroll down till you reach the end, and here you are going to choose the option affiliate program. And here you are going to get all of the necessary information that you will need to know. Now guys, DHgate affiliate program is a platform for everyone that could be a partner, agency, individual advertisers, marketing company, bloggers. As long as you have a way to spread, you have the chance to earn unlimited commissions and bonus too. You can make money at home by moving fingers, just by spreading DHgate by itself, or choose a product to promote it. Now guys, I wanted to specify this information because some different websites will require you to have a big platform in order to promote or in order to be allowed or to apply for an affiliate program. Now here you can become a partner really easily just by having a way to spread. So you don't need to have social media followers, you don't need any of that. You just need to discover a way to spread all of these products and also the DHgate as a whole website. So in this way, they will allow you to earn money. Now this is really important information. So don't worry if you aren't like a blogger, a social influencers, or if you don't have Instagram followers or Facebook friends. You just need to find a way, and the best thing is that I have a way for you, and of course you can choose yours too, but I will guarantee you a way too that will help you out to earn a lot of money. Now guys, you are going to earn from 3 to 51% commissions and during the shopping too. Now you have a referral program. You can invite your friends to earn 3% to 51%, and you are going to get 30% of their earnings. You will grab the opportunity to earn more extra bonus every day. How does it work? You register and of course get the affiliate link and promote it. Referral customers place orders, commissions rolling in. So you can become a partner of them without having any of big platform, without being a blogger or social influencers, and this is really important to highlight. Now guys, as I told you and I mentioned to you, you have two options of promoting here. So first, you can promote the HGate as a whole website, or you can choose a product, a specific product from their categories over here and promote it. You can choose whatever you want to. And of course, you are going to earn a lot of money with both of these options that you can choose. Now what you will have to do is, of course, become part of this affiliate program just by clicking join free over here. And after doing that, just click on enter workplace, and then you are going to see the dashboard over here, in which you are going to see the estimated commission, sales amount, and orders, and keep a track of all of the monies that you are going to get from the orders. You are going to earn $3 if you invite 3 friends, and also you are going to earn $5 from your first orders too. Now what you will have to do is just check out all of the categories of the products that you have over here, all the products or feature products or sample products over here, and then next you just have to choose a product which has a really high commission and click on the get the link, and after doing that you just have to share it and of course earn money. Now guys, you can choose whatever product you want to, but you have to be careful that the commission should be really high. As you can see, you have a lot of products, clothes mostly, which are with a really high commission, but in order to promote them you will need to show your face, because we are going to use YouTube as our grabber of the clients. So here you are going to create videos in which you are going to represent the products, but you will have to wear them and represent to the public. But if you don't want to show your face, neither your body, what you will have to do next is choose products that don't need to show up your face, but only the product itself, just like these people have done with drones. So guys, drones will be a best option for you right now. So what you will have to do is just click the keyword drone over here, and you are going to check out all of the products that you can promote and choose the one that has a higher commission than the others, and then go over to YouTube and create a video just like this person has done. So they are just representing the drone and talking about it by using their voice. And guys, on the description box you can leave the affiliate link of each drone that you are going to promote, and you can do the same thing with cell phones and many other accessories and many other products in which you don't need to show up yourself and you don't need to film up yourself too. So by doing this you should feel much better. So guys, as I told you, you can promote the HGate as a whole website, or you can choose a product and promote it by yourself too. And I would totally recommend to you to be concentrated on those products which are really famous and people would love them. So also check out the popularity and how often they have been sold to the public, because in this way it will become much easier for you to choose the best options. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.